Hello, everybody. My name is Jürgen Bastani. I work as a teacher of English at Thomas More in Belgium. Last academic year, I had the opportunity to attend a professional development program called Lesson Study. It's an initiative that runs in the whole of Flanders. And I was really impressed with how it actually helped me improve my teaching. In my session at the Bell today, I will share how this collaborative approach to professional development helped me to critically reflect on my own teaching practices. I will go into how it allowed me to connect my lessons more closely with students' needs and how, by working with colleagues and feedback from the students, I managed to refine my lessons more so students would get more out of them. I gained valuable insights into student engagement and language acquisition processes. If you want to come to my session, you're welcome, and you will leave with an understanding of what lesson study entails and how it can impact on your professional development as well. Welcome.